Everybody, welcome back to GSX 2018 here in beautiful Las Vegas, Nevada. Chuck Harrell, SecurityGuideTV.com. Our next guest, Jeff Swanson, IndigoVision.com. I love IndigoVision. Mr. Jeff, tell people that don't know what you guys do.
So IndigoVision, end-to-end solutions provider focusing on a video management solution, NVR storage, cyber vigilant technology, which is determined for cyber hacking, things of that nature, and then a complete range of cameras.
Now, I like your product because it just seems, I can't describe it to you. That it works? Does that make sense?
Yeah,
it sounds kind of crazy to say.
Indeed.
But not overcomplicated. It's straight to the point. You know what I'm saying?
Yep. The internal world, it just works, right?
Right.
So with the proper network, basic configuration, simple user interface, it just makes things very simple, very dynamic, and very highly available on the network.
Now, tell us something you guys are working on, maybe the next big release, next big product. What's on the drawing board?
Yeah, so we actually have a new product that we're showcasing here at GSX this week, and it's basically people location. So what we're doing is we're enhancing a camera element with the MAC address from your cell phone.
Oh.
So with a Wi-Fi network enabled, we are now able to provide location. So in education, hospitality,
right,
stadium environments, things of that nature where we need to find people quickly, associate the camera with the technology that everybody's carrying in a cell phone today. Very exciting times.
Now, what are your vertical markets? What type of clients do you serve?
Yeah, so government systems, pretty broad. We dabble into federal and municipal government with city surveillance, military applications. We have a large gaming hospitality business.
Oh, interesting, all right.
Yeah, so that's been a significantly growing industry for gaming over the last 5 years for IndigoVision, so we're very proud of that. Retail, we do a lot of that. We have several clients across the world that are connected into our architecture there for loss prevention. So yeah, really from that aspect, we cover a broad aspect. Another product that we launched this year was more focused on the small business enterprise, and that's called our Integra product. So what that is an all-inclusive, self-contained appliance. So software, NVR storage, network switching, all built into one box. It's an area that we've seen growing in triple-digit growth as far as the retail sector. In our enterprise software, we were a little bit too much for those guys.
Right.
But now with the Integra unit here in the market, it's really substantiated our product line.
I think this is important because, the little company often services the big company. And if I want to get into the big company and rip somebody off or do something, I'm just going to start with the small company, work my way in, either through weak security, no security, whatever. So I'm glad to see that the price points are dropping or new products being developed, right? So those people can get on board, because if we're not all secure at the same time, it's just not going to work.
Yeah, and really with Integra, it's simple to set up. So we don't have to have network degrees, engineers on board to get that thing plugged in. Software is preloaded, web access is preloaded into the machine. So really from an installer perspective, you just really have to show, wire up, and you're off and running in the software. So it's really nice in the self-contained environment. Very good complement to our product line. So with our focus in innovation, we lead with our software. We're the first vendor, to my knowledge, in the security space to actually offer a built-in cyber product.
Oh, wow, fabulous.
So with Cyber Vigilant, we're able to do two things with that product. So we can connect directly to the actual switch location in 16 or 24 port configurations, and it mirrors exactly the control center database. So there's no programming, there's no complex scenarios to that. It gives us 5 to 10 different alerts within the software, and then we can actually take all of our syslogs into IT or larger things from an IDS perspective on the network. So we're really excited about the innovation of the Cyber Vigilant product, again complementing that with the people location, and then again with our SBE offering and Integra, we're once again trying to be on the cutting edge of the industry.
Like I said, it works. That's what's so great about IndigoVision. Jeff, what keeps you awake at night? One last question. What bugs you? What are you worried is going to happen next?
Just the commoditization of the camera industry at this point right now. We're seeing things when I joined, and I don't want to date ourselves, but camera pricing now is at a commodity level. Right. Lots of pressures with the current economy and U.S. pressures on the global economy. So we are definitely seeing a trend there, where many of the manufacturers in the camera arena are affected by tariff and cyber threats. So we definitely keeps me awake from that perspective. But knowing that we have technology like Cyber Vigilant, we're doing our thing as a manufacturer to ensure that the global business is secure when you use IndigoVision.
Fantastic. Jeff Swanson, IndigoVision.com, booth number?
1631.
1631. Check them out here at GSX 2018. Place is heating up. Lots of people here. Come on by and say hi to the Security Guy booth at the ASI Hub. Back in a minute here on SecurityGuideTV.com.